Hi everybody, welcome to Ghost Tutorials. In this quick tutorial we're going to explain how you can claim a John McAfee Legacy NFT completely for free. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1, you have to go to ghostAirdrop. Now, we post the links to the ghostAirdrop on Twitter all the time, and if I scroll down to the most recent one, for example, to claim a free JML NFT on EVMOS, you can just click this link and it'll redirect you. But in case you want to do another chain, the format of the link is as follows: ghostchain.io/thechain and then free NFT. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use Girly, right? So ghostchain.io/Girly free NFT. We take this link, we copy paste it. Now we're redirected to the Ghost Airdrop on Girly. Next step is to connect your MetaMask. So let's connect your wallet. And let's connect it. Okay, so now my MetaMask, by the way, there are multiple wallets as you can see, but my MetaMask is now connected to Ghost Airdrop on Girly. And now we can just claim free a GNFT. Make sure that there's enough of the native token to cover the gas fees. Let's confirm. Congratulations, you now have your own free JML NFT. Now there's one more bonus step that you can do, and it is to add this NFT to your MetaMask. So first of all, let's remember the token ID. Token ID is, by the way, you can also go to NFT profile if you'd like, but the token ID you can see here, 33732. So let's write it down just in case. 33732. Okay. Then you need the address of the JML collection. So the way to get to that is you go to the Ghost documentation, docs.ghostchain.io. You can go to the overview section, and then if you go to the JML NFT collection, you will find the JML collection address. Now, the way our engineering team has built Ghost Airdrop and the JML collection is that we have the same address across all the chains. You go to the Girly right here, you copy this address, okay? And then remember, this is, so now we have the collection address and then we have the token ID. So then we go to MetaMask, we go to the NFTs section, we go to import NFTs, we copy paste the collection address, and then we type in the token ID, which is 33732 for me, and you add it. And now you have your own John McAfee Legacy inside of your NFT. Pretty simple, right? So with that, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.